Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Today, I am going to talk about the difference of pay scales for the same post. One who is appointed on compassionate grounds and the other person who is appointed on the regular scale. Supreme Court held that there should be no such difference in the pay scale. No two pay scales for the same cadre of a person. Whether he is appointed compassionately or whether he has taken the regular appointment doesn't matter. So this was decided by the two judges bench of the Honorable Supreme Court of India, Justice M.R. Shah and Madam B.V. Nagaratna. This you can see the citation as State of Uttar Pradesh versus Aishwarya Pandey. Aishwarya Pandey in SLP number 19255 by 2021, decided on 3rd December 2021. You can see the citation in Live Law 2021 SC 766, wherein the two judges bench concluded that there is no substance in the SLP filed by the State of Uttar Pradesh against the order of the Allahabad High Court, and therefore the SLP is dismissed and the State of UP has to put the so-called respondent Aishwarya Pandey in the same pay scale as that of the regular employees. So this is briefly the emphasis on this case. Now we'll go into the details. Aishwarya Pandey, so she is appointed to the post of OSD in the department, which department? So after appointment on the compassionate grounds, that is on the demise of her father, she is put in the pay scale of 6,000 time scale, 6,500 to 10,500. So this is the pay scale fixed to her. Whereas another person who was appointed regularly by the Public Service Commission, he was put in the scale of 8,000 to 13,500. So there is a difference of pay of 3,000 rupees. How can it be? This is the main problem. So Aishwarya Pandey, she has approached the Allahabad High Court. Allahabad High Court has clearly stated that whether the appointment is on the basis of compassionate grounds or whether it is by the Public Service Commission, there should not be two pay scales from the same post. So it is a post which is emanated due to some vacancy. That vacancy is filled up maybe by regular employees, maybe by the so-called employee on compassionate grounds. Here you may have to know that even the compassionate grounds employee can be adjusted in the post only if he is qualified for the same. Unless he is qualified, he cannot be given even that compassionate appointment. So when there is a post, if the post says that a person should be a graduate, even under compassionate grounds, a non-graduate cannot be given that post. And secondly, pay protection should be there, is it not? And once you join the service, you should be protected regarding the time scale of pay. But here, two time scales of pay were given. Okay, now let us hear the version of the State of UP also. That's better. State of UP says it is a supernumerary post. Supernumerary, so created for the purpose of this Aishwarya Pandey. Actually, this post should have been filled through Public Service Commission. The Public Service Commission means they have to write the examination, they have to appear for the viva, and then only so the person can get the appointment. But without all these things, it was given as a compassionate appointment. So a compassionate appointment given like that, they cannot stand on the same foot as that of a regular appointee who has passed so many rungs of the ladder. That is the contention of the UP. Actually, this is a post to be filled up by the Public Service Commission. Because of the compassionate grounds, a supernumerary post was created and it is allotted to her. This is the argument of the UP. Anyway, Allahabad High Court did not agree. Ultimately, the High Court asked them to pay the salary, to put the Aishwarya Pandey on the same pay scale as that of regular employee. Agreed by this, the UP government approached the Supreme Court also. Supreme Court clearly stated that there should be no two pay scales for the same point. When a person is appointed for a particular post, whether on compassionate grounds or regularly, similar benefit has to be granted. Therefore, the SLP was dismissed and 2 weeks time was given for the state of UP to put her in the pay scale and to pay the consequential benefits as well as the arrears if any. So very good judgment, particularly for the persons dealing with the service conditions and appointments of the employees. So please read the judgment and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.